What is epigenetics and mental health? Imagine your genes are like a set of instructions for building and running your body. Now picture that these instructions can be turned on or off without changing the actual code. That's what epigenetics is all about. It studies how chemical changes at the cellular level influence how genes behave, affecting how your body and brain respond to different experiences. These changes can be influenced by your environment, lifestyle, and even your thoughts. When it comes to mental health, epigenetics helps explain why two people with similar genes might have very different mental health outcomes. For example, early life experiences like trauma or neglect can cause epigenetic changes that make someone more vulnerable to depression or anxiety later in life. On the other hand, positive experiences like supportive relationships or healthy habits can lead to beneficial epigenetic modifications that promote mental wellness. Mental health disorders such as depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, and addiction are not just caused by genetics. They are shaped by a mix of genetic predispositions and environmental factors. Epigenetics acts as a bridge between these two influences. Stress, trauma, diet, physical activity, and social support can all impact gene expression through epigenetic mechanisms. For instance, chronic stress might turn off genes that help regulate mood, increasing the risk of mental health issues. Conversely, engaging in mindfulness, therapy, or exercise can turn those genes back on, helping to support mental well-being. For millennials, understanding epigenetics highlights how lifestyle choices can have a lasting impact on mental health. Since epigenetic changes can sometimes be reversed, making healthy choices early on can influence mental health outcomes over time. Managing stress through relaxation techniques, seeking therapy when needed, maintaining social connections, and eating nutritious foods can all lead to positive epigenetic changes. This means that mental health is not just about genetics or luck but can be shaped by what you do and how you live. This knowledge encourages a proactive approach to mental and emotional wellness. It shows that taking care of your mental health through everyday habits can influence your genes in a way that promotes resilience. It also opens the door for new treatments that target epigenetic processes, offering hope for those dealing with mental health challenges. By understanding how genes and environment work together, millennials can make more informed choices to support their mental health now and in the future.